but it goes out to 10, and we've seen it out to 14, 16 weeks. We can literally produce gauges through here within 24 hours.
Russell here at the Original Gauge Company, your new EDM facility, and we've got an even newer investment. Tell us all about it.
So yeah, just over a year ago, we entered into the EDM market with the U3i, a smaller machine, and here we are just about a year later with the U6i. Primary reason is the size of the capacity, gives us a much bigger envelope for working. That gives us more unmanned running time. But also, of course, we've really kind of protected any redundancy, you know, should we have downtime, even maintenance time. We've got full capability 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
So, as your name would suggest, you make gauges. You know, what are you making on this particular machine?
Yeah, so gauges again is primary, spline gauges in particular, but we're also doing some tuning kind of gap gauges are quite key. But we're also entering quite rapidly into the component market as well, particularly due to the capability, tolerance capability that we've developed here, which is pretty unique.
So traditionally gauges are made on more traditional machines, so we say. So how important is it for you and your customers, and what does it mean for your customers to have this level of technology?
Yeah, so the key output of this is really lead time. What we've done here with this facility and with this capital investment is we've really nailed the lead time throughput capability. So if you look at a traditional spline gauge, you can be looking up to, I mean, the best anybody probably can do out there in the market with traditional processes, maybe 6 weeks, but it goes out to 10, and we've seen it out to 14, 16 weeks. We can literally produce gauges through here within 24 hours. I mean, 7 days is a fairly regular thing for us, but we're quoting regularly under 3 weeks lead time.
And just finally, so I've been to many gauges manufacturers. In fact, I used to make them back in the day. Usually old traditional machines, which you have here as well. But yeah, so how important is it in terms of longevity for the business and growing the business to have machines such as these?
Well, number one, you've got new technology, you know, fully maintainable, you know, got super backing from the service providers on the equipment. But of course, the process is super stable, right? You know, the traditional processes are very long. You're constantly having to dress wheel wear. You know, you're constantly having to measure and remeasure. Whereas with this, you can really trust your process. I mean, it's very bespoke, and there's a lot of IP around what we do, so we're a bit careful about that. But we've really nailed a super efficient process around how we can deliver such incredible lead times and tolerance capability beyond what's imaginable out there in the traditional wire EDM market.